my time is my most important asset. And I got to keep telling myself, because in a world that promotes so much materialism, consumerism, it's hard to hear that time is actually the one that's the most invaluable. Today, I want to talk about time, man. Yeah, you can go and buy that car. Yeah, you can afford it. Yeah, you can do this, you can do that. But what about your time? What about your time? People don't seem to realize how finite our time actually is. We all have a date of expiration. We all have a date that we will go. So that's why for me, I want to enjoy this as much as possible. I want to enjoy this amazing time that I have in my life as much as possible. I want to enjoy working the jobs that I can tolerate, making smiles at work, helping people out in my community. But you want to know one thing that can take away from all of that? Having all these debts, having credit cards you got to pay off, having cars you got to pay off, people telling you when and how and where and how often to be at work, people telling you when you can get your off days, people telling you when you can schedule off time with your family, people telling you when you can go see your family member for a family emergency. Now, I'm not preaching anti-work rhetoric here. I'm not preaching against the 9 to 5. I'm just saying, guys, time is a very, 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 if not the most important attribute we have in this life. It's the most important asset we can have in this life. And I think too many of us trade the time so willingly without giving it a little bit more thought. How are we not more careful with our most precious asset that we have? That baffles my mind. How are we so lenient and lackadaisical with giving away our most important asset, and that is our time? Why are we so okay with that? Who coerced us into thinking that this was okay? Who told us that this was all right to give away all your time so willingly and without resistance and without a fight? You know, it just makes me think. It just makes me think. I just sit down and I just wonder, like, who said that this was the way to do it? I get it. We got to pay bills. We got things we need to do. But when did we normalize giving up so much of our time? There's nothing wrong with you if you want to spend more time with your family. There's nothing wrong with you if you want to take a little time off from work. Don't be worried about your coworkers. That's other people's job. That's other people's position. Don't feel guilty for trying to enjoy your most important aspect. Don't feel guilty for trying to enjoy the most important asset that we have to our name, to our life, and that's our time. Don't feel guilty for wanting to enjoy your time. I'm all for hard work. I love hard work. I love hard work with a purpose. I love hard work with meaning. But I'm not for hard work for the sake of this is what your life was meant to be. This is all that your life equates to. You're just a hard worker, nothing more, nothing less. Get your paycheck, wait for the next paycheck. Go in and do it again. That's 1 year. Go in and do it again. That's 2. Do it a couple more years. That's 5. A couple more years. That's 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40. You're in your 60s. And you're still working. This is not a knock against 9 to 5 workers. This is not a knock against all the hard men and women who go in and day out, who serving their purpose, doing what they have to do to serve people and serve man. I'm not knocking you. I'm just telling you that you need to be sure that you always prioritize what's actually important. And that's your time. Now, if that's time spent the way you want it to be spent, then guess what? You're still winning with this message because you're using your time the way you want to use your time. And if that's at work, then God bless you. God be with you, because now your time has meaning because you are making it meaningful. But this trade-off that we've created to where you can only be successful if you're trading time for money, it's a trap, guys. And this is not me being all metaphysical and you know, whatever you want to call these type of enlightenments. I'm not doing that. I'm having a real human being conversation with you right now. Like, if you are stuck in this endless loop of just working your job and working your job, you look up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, nothing's going to change. No job is going to spark this freedom where you have freedom and financial freedom. No job is going to do this. You know, in the common sense. Of course, there are always exceptions and there's always exclusions. I hope you guys can follow what I'm saying in today's message and not be ignorant about it. You know, I always get a couple of sly comments, try to be funny. But if you're an actual thoughtful person, you know exactly where I'm coming from. I just realized how valuable my time is. And I also realized that I like spending it this way with you all. And I want to thank you all for letting me borrow some of your greatest assets sometime. And that's your time. Thank you all for even watching my channel on a daily. Thank you all for giving my videos support and sharing my videos, because this is time well spent that I like to spend, that I have no regrets about spending. And it really means a lot to me that this time well spent could potentially inspire other people to do more with their time. But see, if I had stayed in the fable of only working, that's the only way I'm ever going to get ahead. Only just work your life away. You know, never spend time with your family, spend time at work. Work is your new family. They say we're like family at work because they actually become your new family. They want to replace your family. Again, today's video was a little bit more somber because I'm at the memorial here and I just see so many men and women who gave their lives for our country. They gave their time so that we can enjoy ours. And I'm kind of looking at the memorial here, and I don't want to put it on camera just out of respect, but it just got me thinking as I was taking this walk today, man. God bless them. I thank them for everything they did for me, for us, our country. Time well spent. So how are you spending yours? How are you spending the time that you have? For me, I'm going to keep trying to inspire and impact as many people as I can with these messages, with my knowledge, my videos, the conversations, everything we do here on the channel. I hope it becomes time well spent for you, because it's definitely time well spent for me. Whether this leads to financial freedom or whatever, right? My time is my most important asset. And I got to keep telling myself, because in a world that promotes so much materialism, consumerism, it's hard to hear that time is actually the one that's the most invaluable. If you don't have the latest car, if you don't have the latest shoes, you're nothing. But nobody talks about that. If you don't have any time, none of it matters anymore. None of it. Yeah, very reflective video. God bless you guys. I'm out of here, man. I gotta go. Peace.